finally back with another video. Got some stuff planned today. See if I can try to do it. I know I haven't posted it in any videos. I haven't really been too active on YouTube lately, but I do have a LS 5.3 freshly rebuilt. Got a 4L60. I got the ECU, the wire harness. Also got more stuff coming for the SC, and I might even have something else coming. But right now I'm about to go see if I can put this cam in my LS. I already got a cam for it. It's a Bald Eagle cam from Texas Speed, the Cletus McFarlane one. I'm about to go see if I can do that right now. I don't know if the guy's at his shop or not, but see, it's a lot of traffic out right now. But I pretty much got everything for the swap. I got a trunnion upgrade that I'm about to be doing too. I got the push rods, I got the gaskets, I got the new crank bolt. What else? Right now I'm about to go get the dowel pins, or the dowel rods, sorry, because I need those as well. And what else? Also got to get the valve spring tool, because I got new valve springs. I got the dual valve springs. So I got the whole kit pretty much to set it up. You know, I'm not trying to take the heads off, so that's why I'm getting the dowel rods to keep the lifters up. So I mean, we should have a pretty good video coming up real soon. And like I said, the LS, oh yeah, I also got the intake for the LS. I got pretty much everything for the swap as well. You'll see that later on when I get over there. Yeah, I mean, we're gonna have a pretty decent amount of videos coming up soon. I just wasn't able to really kind of film everything because I was just getting stuff in the mail. That was about it. Yeah, never really cam swapped the engine. I don't know how long it's gonna take, so you know, you gotta bear with me. And plus, this is my first time. We're just gonna see how this go. I'm about to go in here and Lowe's and see if they have any of these dowel rods. You just need some 5/16 like rods. Could be metal, could be wood. Either one is fine. You know, just use, if you're using wood, just only use them a couple of times and then, you know, go ahead and swap them out. But you know, the metal ones, of course, you can keep using over and over. All right, so these are the dowel rods. Like I said, they're just little wood rods that you can use just to keep the lifters up, and you know, everything will be just fine using those. You ain't gonna damage nothing, no crazy stuff like that. Like I said, you know, I just got mine from Lowe's. You know, $4 for 4 of these, and they're all 48 inches, so you know, you can cut these probably, you know, in half and still got plenty. So yeah. All right, you see where I'm at. I got the valve spring compressor. You know, this is the only one they had. Kind of wish they had a better one, but I know it will work. But yeah, you can just rent it, bring it right back after you're done and get your money back. Also got some like break-in oil and like some generic real thick oil, just so I can throw the cam in. Yeah, this should be fairly easy. Yeah, the engine's at a shop. The car right now is getting the roof replaced. It's at a different shop. The 5.3, the LS6 intake. I got pretty much everything for the swap right there. That's my cam, my dowel rods. Transmission's right here, but probably about to swap it out for a stage 2. So, yeah. All right. Right now, I'm on my way back to O'Reilly's because I need a harmonic balancer puller. Usually when you take them off, you know, get them snug, they're not too hard to get off. But this one right here is fighting. So I'm just about to go get a harmonic balancer puller real quick and come back, finish up the rest of this. All right, so I went to go get a harmonic balancer puller, wrong puller. So just got the water pump off. These are the bolts, and I have the bolts loose for the timing chain cover. So I'm about to go get a puller for this with the slide hammer just so I can take this off, and I'll come back for the next part. So I got all that off. Now just kind of pulled that off and straight digging into the cam.
Actual factory one did not read inside the car.
Right. Yeah.
Oh, let us shut up.
Nah, y'all good, bro.
Okay,
I'm just wondering.
No,
Yeah. Well, the gauge was broken on the dash.
You got that
The
off.
easiest way to bypass that is just to go ahead and just put it on a fucking aftermarket pressure and get oil pressure.
Everything else.
And she definitely had oil pressure.
Oh man. So a lot of times passed by. You can tell it's dark outside. A lot of stuff went down because so I got down to the timing chain cover. It was only 2 of us. Lifted it up, put it on here, bruh. And this floor is slippery from the fluid from this trans. I feel like I almost died. Tired, bruh. But we got it on. As you can tell, the engine's clean. I mean, that stuff right there is just a little bit of dirt from when we was trying to, you know, pick it up and stuff. But this engine is really clean. Freshly rebuilt. Still not too sure what block this is though. I don't know if you can see that. This is SO7, and then over here it says GO5. Look at this. It's a clean drift car that they're working on right now. Real nice. It's another drift car of his. Little S13. If you look at the paint, it looks real good on it too. Yeah, it's a pretty sick car. You know, got the 1J in it. He's mocking up everything for it. You know, this is gonna be a sick car. But we was also test fitting the steam port kit with the LS6 intake, and it does not fit, so I'm gonna have to get intake spacer so we can actually get this on with the steam port kit, because I'm not trying to overheat this block. I'm not trying to do any, you know, any damage to this block whatsoever. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Like I said, this thing is like brand new. I'm really excited for this build. These are 706 heads. You know, I thought about changing out to 243 heads, but not trying to go through all that work just for a little bit of extra, you know, horsepower, when I can just get these milled down if I really want to. Oh yeah, and if you go down to 243 heads, like stock 243 heads, you lose like 0.4 compression. Like, so your compression goes down from 9.5 to 1 to like 9.1 to 1, I believe. I believe those are the numbers. It's real close to that. So unless you're like trying to make some real horsepower, you know, 706 heads are perfectly fine. Yeah, bro, we are wore out. We about to finish that stuff tomorrow. We got the oil pan off, got the timing cover off. It was just a lot of little stuff that kind of whooped us today, but we about to get right back on it tomorrow. You know, we just kind of beat right now. It's like 11 o'clock. Just a lot of mishaps, a lot of other work that we was doing, other cars, you know. So yeah, I'll catch y'all tomorrow.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Alright, so it's the next morning and I'm heading back over there right now. Honestly, we're doing a lot more than just the cam right now. Like we're basically test fitting all the parts that I got. Also, we're probably doing the oil pan right now because I have to use a F-body like oil pan from like the 4th gen Camaros and like the Trans Ams and everything to fit on my car. So yeah, we're kind of doing a lot of stuff right now. So it's not just the cam. That's kind of why it's not done yet. You know, it doesn't really take too long to install a cam. But yeah, we'll get there and we'll finish it up. All right, so right now I'm installing the cam. Got the dowel rods in. Soon I'm gonna be doing the valve springs, but got to get the other tool. But it's looking good right now. Gotta slowly put it in. All right, so I just got the cam in, got the timing settled. Here's all my push rods and rockers. I'm not gonna be using those, but that's just the order. I'm about to be putting on the F-body oil pan right now. I'm just trying to get some of my stuff out the way, get all these boxes taken care of. All right, so right now got the motor flipped around, just getting all the gaskets off. I'm just using a razor blade, you know, just getting all this stuff off. All right, so I got the oil pump on. I'm putting on the new F-body oil pan. I'm getting that all situated. That's the old oil pan right there. Yeah, it's going pretty smooth so far. All right, so as you can see, it's coming all together with all the new parts. Cam is in, got the oil pump back on, got the pickup tube, I got, you know, everything, the baffle, everything for the F-body oil pan, I got that on. Yeah, I'm about to see what other little stuff I can do right now to put this thing back together. It was going real smooth until broke a bolt and timing chain cover. So now I had to take it back off. Yeah, I gotta get that out. I want it done right. Like, it could have worked, but no. All right, so right now I'm doing the valve stems, I'm doing the push rods, trying to do the springs, and also kind of was test fitting the headers. You know, they don't look bad at all, but I don't know if they're gonna fit. Some people say that those might not fit. So yeah, but you know, getting it all done right now. All right, so another whole day spent at the shop, but we got a pretty decent amount done. So this intake is just sitting on here till I come back. But we didn't get the springs in, but we got the valve seals in, and I just put these valve covers back on top just so, you know, nothing gets on it. But I just kind of want to see what it looked like too. It looks pretty good, you know, it looks pretty solid. Got the cam in, got the new oil pan on. We did a lot of work today. It don't seem like it, but I did a lot. And this is the rest of the little stuff. You see the springs right there. I didn't have the tool, that's why I didn't put them on. Got push rods, they should be somewhere over here. The rocker arms right here, the alternator. Steam port kit is already set up. We just took it back off because I'm gonna have to get adapter so I can actually put it on, just because it kind of makes the intake not fit. So get a little spacer for it, that's the word. And this is also the throttle body that I got, but I'm probably gonna have to get another one because the LS6 intake is a 3-bolt. This is a 4-bolt for a truck intake over there. Unless I get an adapter for that too, which I really don't mind. But yeah, we did get a lot of stuff done today. So probably be back tomorrow, maybe. Yeah. Alright, so I just left the shop, you know. Done for today. Probably be back tomorrow, but I'll probably end the video here. Yeah, the LS build is moving pretty quick, so just like and comment. I'm gonna post more about it, post more about the modifications, everything that I'm doing to it. Yeah, just like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back with another video soon.